Hello, my YouTube viewers. The time is 9 a.m. The day is Sunday. The temperature is about 62 degrees. I'm down here in Panama City Beach, Florida, on vacation. It's a place, it's a little quick getaway from it, being only 5 hours from Atlanta. So we decided to come down here for the weekend. Only thing is, as you can see, we were told it was going to be sunny. We were told that it was going to be, it was going to rain Saturday morning, and then be sunny by 2:00 p.m. and then sunny for the rest of the weekend. But as you can see, it's Sunday, and it's still cloudy. So, Panama City weather forecasters, they don't seem to know what they're doing. But anyway, on a more positive note, this is Panama City Beach. This is, I was stationed down here years ago, and I was in the Air Force. So I was stationed at Tyndall Air Force Base in Panama City, Tyndall Parkway. And I used to come down here all the time. When I got off work, just sit down on the beach and rewind and unwind after work. Those waves coming way up. Panama City Beach is known for its white sand. The sand right here is a little bit darker because of the water. But you can see over there, the sand is more white. This is the, I'm sure most of my viewers know this, but Panama City Beach is basically on the Gulf Coast. Oh, there's water. Oh, my foot. These waves coming way up on shore. But anyway, Panama City Beach is the Gulf Coast, the Gulf of Mexico. Well, Gulf of America now. You all know Trump changed the name, but that's another story. This Panama City Beach, the hotels, everything, they stretch for miles and miles and miles. As you can see, let me blow this up. There's a couple of hotels down there. That's my hotel I was staying in. I'm staying there. We're about to head back to Atlanta soon. I decided to come and shoot this video of the beach real quick. I can look at the sun. It's trying to peek out. But we're leaving, so. Feet starting to get a little wet. Those waves. They got red flag out here today, which is when it's a red flag, they pretty much want you to stay out the water. It's dangerous to be in the water. Then they had double red flag, whereas you definitely don't want to be in the water. And they have yellow flag, which is, just be cautious. Green flag meaning that everything is safe, good to go. Supposed to have been sunny today. Maybe it'll be sunny by afternoon, but by that time we'll be heading back. Head on back. Anyway, my viewers, something I want to talk to you about. Be careful out there. They got this super flu variant going on. It used to be a regular flu. Now they had talking about some super flu. And they said that people getting sick on an average of between 2 days and 2 weeks. And some people are dying from it. Or some people just basically their lungs is never the same. So I don't know what in the world's going on, but when it comes to media propaganda, you never know. I don't want to get too deep into it, but just know there's some powers that be that just want to be in control, even if it's population control. Because it just seems kind of funny to me that every time you turn around, there's something new out there. It's something always new. Every time you turn around, a new variant, a new. First it was like different COVID variants that we had to deal with. Now it's different flu variants. So just be careful out there, people. Get you an N95 mask, not the little regular blue mask. So excuse my language, but those don't do shit. N95 mask. And just be careful out there. Because it seems like these viruses are getting worse. The water would be a lot prettier if the sun was out, Oh. My shoes are wet. Look at that pier down there. Down on the pier. A lot of people fish off that pier. Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Like peace and tranquility at the beach. Beaches bring a lot of peace and tranquility. And this ocean air, it does wonders for you. Well, anyway, I'm going to end this video. So I'll do a little quick video of the beach. For those who've never been to Panama City Beach, you need to come. If you in Georgia or Alabama, it's a pretty quick getaway, depending on what part of Georgia and Alabama you are in. I know in Atlanta and Birmingham, it's about 5.5 hours. But anyway, click like, subscribe, ring the bell for more notification of my videos. Oh, look at that big chair right there. Look at that big chair. So if you enjoyed this video, again, click like, subscribe, ring the bell notification for more of my content and more of my videos, so you'll get them. You get notified. Until next time, have a good day. Have a good rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.